Let's go to the Bloomberg terminal. What's a bear market? Here's a Chinese stock market. I really haven't cared about it. Over we go. Here's a 10% decline, an 18% decline. Those are classic bear market declines. But are they really, when you look at a series, as volatile and as odd as this? There's two standard deviations of volatility, and we're now way through that. So we're really blended into a bear market.
And one thing to note in these markets is that a lot of that growth is coming not from not from institutional investors, but from consumers. There's a great piece of reporting from Bloomberg News this morning. China investors get that greater fool feeling. This is a regret they're experiencing.
Okay, there it is. Steve Ricchiuto with us with Mizuho. It's not a normal stock market, is it?
No, it's not. In no way, in shape, or form is it a normal stock. It's a stock market that's trying to find its way. It's a stock market where the government has been promoting the expansion in the stock market.
My problem, which you're expert at, is everybody calls a bear market 18 or 20%, and I go, no, you got to look at the volatility of the series, the unique characteristics, whether it's gold or the Swiss franc, whatever. Help me with that. Is China in a bear market?
Well, I would go a second derivative in terms of the volatility. I'd look at the volatility of volatility.
Yeah.
What you're seeing take place in this is a real spike up in that second derivative. And we're getting to the point where you really start to look at it that way, yes.
Was that a good enough Friday jargon alert? Steve was like all over
Nothing
that.
makes Tom happy.
Yeah, okay. Within the convexity of this is the acceleration of volatility.
That's correct. And I think that's one of the problems that you have to look at with China going forward. From a fundamental perspective, China faces what we all face, which is a world of excess supply of tradable goods, no pricing power. And what you're seeing happening here is when a government tries to boost an equity market as it goes to its new Silk Road programs, and they're trying to fund it through the equity market. They've been boosting the equity market. People jump into the marketplace. Then you get that kind of secondary thought process. Who's the greater fool? And you start to have the correction. This is a natural process.
Brilliant. Steve Ricchiuto with Mizuho with us.